We got a new starter, and it came with shims. And the new ones don't come with angled shims for offset because they grind the starter right here so the shims fit. In case you have to shim this starter, the shim will fit in right like that. It comes with 2 shims and an Allen key. And what this little Allen wrench key is for is to measure the distance between the flywheel and this shaft right here. Okay. Also, your old Chevy starter may only have 2 connections. Original equipment only had this one here, which is labeled S, and this one up here. And provides power to the points, but in electronic ignitions you don't use it. They just use this same solenoid on everything for about 50 years. So this one over here that's labeled S, and this one up here is for the big stuff. This one over here that's labeled R, you don't use. Also, the little wrench is an 8mm. And the big one is a 17. You can see this goes right up in there. Okay, that's where it mounts. One other thing I suggest doing is cleaning up this up here. Right there. Right there. Clean that up with a little carb cleaner or something. Because that's where it uses the back side of this for the electrical connection. So I'm just going to try to get some of the grease off it here. Suppose you could rough it up with some sandpaper or something, but that just doesn't sound like any fun. That looks good. Now, there's the bolts. There they are. Okay, starter. I took the old one out. I was able to get this starter to sit up here. Damn thing is not light. Battery is disconnected. I got this to sit up here like so. So I can put the connections on it. And look at that. I hate gloves. Pull that off for a minute. We're going to put these on right here. Okay. Put these on first. If you get a decent rebuilt starter, it'll come with these. Now this starter's came from O'Reilly's. It wasn't their cheapest, but it does have a lifetime warranty. So if this thing pukes, let's get another one. For all of you out there, I'm going to say it twice. Make sure the battery's disconnected, you scallywags. Make sure this is tight. Okay, tight. Okay. Yes, I know. Put another wrench on the bottom one so it doesn't tear it up. Well, guess what? I didn't do it. I can hear you out there making comments. You want to crawl under this 15,000 pound wreck? Let's see if we get this a little bit. There, look at that. I really hate gloves. But I also really hate 3-day old grease under my fingernails. Alright. Wires are connected. Okay, 9/16. I suggest it. Now, most starters will go in without any shims. I am sure hoping this one does, because those shims are a pain in the butt. Especially working on the ground like this. Just snug this in. Don't tighten it. Started all that or not, but we were able to get the wires up there and away from the exhaust. Up in here. So they're not touching the exhaust or the block. Okay. That Allen wrench goes, they give you an Allen wrench and it's for sizing. See it? You slide it in right there between the shaft on the starter and the flex plate. Right there. And you should have, it should just be snug, and it's so perfect that if I twist a little it holds, and then let's see. I don't know if I can get a better shot of that. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty good. But from this side, there, you can see it there. See how there we go. Right there, that Allen screw fits right between there. Between the shaft on the Bendix and the flywheel. That's your alignment right there. That's what you want.
Oh yeah, once again, go down in the bottom, press the little like button, subscribe, ring the little bell so you can get notifications on all of the great videos coming right here on the Mango Pirate. And we'll see you again real soon.